Joshua D'Cruz and his parents. Mr. Joshua D'Cruz is a 15-year-old boy from the Holy Cross Convent School, Bastara, who has just topped with the Goa Board 10th standard with 82.8%, and he is going forward to do his 11th standard science in St. Xavier's, Mapsa. What makes him an inspiration to many persons with disability is that he was born 15 years ago with just one hand and no legs, and besides his academic interest, he without a hand and legs, he is master in 6 musical instruments, and he also likes to play football. He is a great inspiration to persons with disability, and it is also a message to parents of children with disabilities, because 15 years ago the doctors had told his parents to abort the child because he would be born with abnormality. And it is shocking that today, in spite of advanced age and technology, doctors are still advising the parents to abort children because they will be born with a disability or with some defects. So we have today a very inspirational story for you in Joshua D'Cruz, and we also have his parents, Mr. and Mrs. D'Cruz, who will share with you his life journey. Yeah. Speak. How was your district?
Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. When I was to be born 3 months in my mother's stomach during her pregnancy, the doctors told her that I had no limbs, no hand, only one hand I had. So they were like to ask my mother to abort.
Tell about the school journey.
So during my school journey, first I was studying in Kendra Vidyalaya, Bamboli, from first standard to second standard, and in pre-primary at Mercury Army School. So over there, at the age of 7, I played drums. At the age of 6, I played drums over there at Kala Academy, and Brigadier General Lieutenant Kocha had come to see me. Also, I play 6 musical instruments as it has been introduced before to you. Also, my hobbies are playing football, even swimming I do at PEDM, and I even play chess and have represented the school at chess tournament also. At PEDM, inter-school tournament of chess, not Goa.
How is the school supporting the school?
Both the schools provided me very good support. Even my friends also played a main role. Like the school had accessible ramps, lifts also, but my friends were a main key role because they pushed me along in not only in my 10th standard, the whole life, as well as KV, as well as Holy Cross. The schools were very cooperative. They encouraged me. They treated me as a normal child. They did not treat me as a disabled person, but they treated me as a normal child. And I believe as a human being, see, I am a human being. I have a complete functional brain. I believe that I am a normal human being like all of you, and nothing makes me separate or special in a way. I am though little bit special, but not a lack of anything. See, I may not have hands and legs, but my brain is complete, so I can do anything. I can even write stories, everything I can do. What you can do, I can do the same thing.
We got to know that you play some 6 or 5 or 6 some musical items. Do you want to pursue your career in a musical field, or you want to do something?
Well, I want to do electronics engineering. Originally, I wanted to do aeronautic engineering, but it's not available in Goa. It's available in Bangalore, Kanpur, in Chandigarh, in IITs. That. So, like, if I'll go out of Goa for that thing, or otherwise I'll do electronics engineering. Yeah, music as concerned, I will not leave it all. I'll continue the hobby side by side. Same time I'll give for education, same time for music as well.
Which are the 6 instruments?
Okay, I play the keyboard, the drums, the acoustic guitar, the bass guitar, the electric guitar, and the African percussion instrument. It is as known as Jambe. Yeah.
What is your message to other disabled persons and parents?
Okay, to my message to other disabled persons and their parents is that never give up. Don't take negative thoughts. People might say negative thoughts to you, but it doesn't mean that you have to take it inside. Just brush it off. It comes here, just leave it over here. Forgive and forget. Because they might suggest your negativity, they might even say negative things to you. Doesn't mean that who you are. It's like God created you. No, do not commit suicide. Because no matter who, many people might not love you, but God will love you because He has created you and He will never waste His creation like that. He will always love His creation. Like even if we create or make something, we will love that, right? Or we'll throw that in the dustbin. We'll love that, right? So in the same way, God will also love you. So don't commit suicide. And my message is, do not give up. Try, pursue. You will fail one time, you will fail the second time. But at least once you will pursue, no, you will complete, you will pass. Once you pass, you can master the thing. So keep on trying and do not stop trying. And I would also like to thank God for giving me this opportunity. He has also brought me. Because of God only I am till this stage or till this stage, I have got this opportunity. I would also like to thank Sir Avnima Desai. I would also like to thank Sir Prakash Kamath also, that they have given me this opportunity. And I will also thank you all for taking the video. Thank you so much.
How did you meet sir?
We came to know through the news section, and that's how we went to his house and we met him.
So you as a person, do you feel Goa has got all the facilities, all the cooperation and the right attitude on the part of Goan people to support such kind of people like disabled students and all? Do you feel, or do you need that there is a more awareness,
We
more
will love that, right? Or we'll throw that in the dustbin. We love that, right? So in the same way, God will also love you. So don't commit suicide. And my message is, do not give up. Try, pursue. You will fail one time, you will fail the second time. But at least once you will pursue, no, you will complete, you will pass. Once you pass, you can master the thing. So keep on trying and do not stop trying. And I would also like to thank God for giving me this opportunity. He has also brought me. Because of God only I am till this stage or till this I have got this opportunity. I would also like to thank Sir Avnima Desai. I would also like to thank Sir Prakash Kamath also, that they have given me this opportunity. And I will also thank you all for taking the video. Thank you so much.
How did you meet sir?
We came to know through the news section, and that's how we went to his house and we met him.
So you as a person, do you feel Goa has got all the facilities, all the cooperation and the right attitude on the part of Goan people to support such kind of people like disabled students and all? Do you feel, or do you need that there is a more awareness, more this thing needed support?
Awareness is needed, more support, and the attitude of people. Like some places I go, अरे बाप देते अरे मुझे चूक जाता नहीं एकदम उल्टा थी. But that people should like change of like, see, it happens, feelings happens, it happens, it conveys on your face and all. But doesn't mean like some people believe, because I don't believe particularly so superstitions. Yeah. And at beaches you need more of support, cooperation, and also some ramp should be done at beaches, because in the sand, as you all know, wheelchair cannot go in the sand, it will sink off, right? We as disabled kids also want to go at the beaches, but many people cannot just walk on the sand because it's hot. It might even cut, because as far as I walk, my legs get cut off if I walk too much on the sand. Because beer bottles, glasses are there on the beach. That should be cleaned off, cleansed off, and ramps should be made till the water at least, or below that. Everywhere, not even one beach has ramp.
Yeah, I would say that he's a gift from God for us. We really love him, and he has far exceeded our expectations. I can say we are quite proud of him. When we knew about his condition in the third month, we decided that we will not go according to the advice of the medical or professional advice, but we will go with an ethical advice. And that's how we thought let him continue, and we will give him life. And take care of him also. What we need to do is just give him support, whatever support he needs. And we have come across people of all walks of life. We can say like there have been supportive people, there have been people who have not been that supportive. Some people have been neutral, and that's okay. But the positive thing is that we need to continue, and he has been continuing marching on, regardless of all these things. Thank you.
सलूट आहे
सर डिजेबल पर्सनाक मातशें एडमिशनाक प्रॉब्लम जाता सो तेजेर तुमकां कितें सांगतले डिजेबल पर्सन आसता पळय तांकां एडमिशनाक मातशें प्रॉब्लम फेस करचे पडटा तेजेर तुमकां कितें सांगतले सर
Amka, the cases, bring the cases to our notice, we will take it up. Because no school till standard 12 can deny admission to children with disability. Okay, and professional colleges should have a 5% reservation for persons with disabilities. Okay, and all schools, all colleges should have access barrier-free infrastructure as well as reasonable accommodation should be provided to persons with disabilities. Anybody facing problems in getting admission, they can contact us because there is penal action under the Disability Act for not giving admission to persons with disabilities, not providing facilities to persons with disabilities. Okay, so bring it to our notice. We will take it up with the State Disability Commissioner, or anybody also can contact directly to the State Disability Commissioner.
थँक्यू सर